name is Dino and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to introduce you to our first video, and English is not my native language, so please apologize. But I believe that by using English, this video can be enjoyed by a wider audience. Content of this video will be, the subject of the video will be Yoshi. Yoshi is our Suzuki GSX-R that we are going to refurbish a bit before selling. Here we are. So this is a bike. This is the bike. 2008 Suzuki GSX-R 600. We are the second owner. My wife bought it from the first owner 7 years ago. And today he has on the clock around 31,000 kilometers. He is running very well, pretty good shape, even if the previous owner has used it, let's say, sportly, and he used also on the track. But the bike itself is in very good condition, but after several years of usage, some minor fixings are needed. So let's go to see what are the parts that we need to fix. There are not so big issues. The bike is using a Yoshimura pipe that is having some small damage here and here, maybe due to a crash. There are a few scratches over here as well, and we can see also some light scratches here and here, so we are going to fix them. Another small problem we have here is on the rear lamp. There is a hole in the lamp, so we are going to replace the entire lamp, as this is a sealed one and the red glass is not available as a spare. Few more cosmetic issues here on the fuel tank. You can see here there are all these small damages. I ever wonder how the previous owner made them. I don't know, really. I have never understood how he made it. Eventually, he was wearing a jacket with some that picked on that. Otherwise, I have no clue how was it made. Some light scratches also here. Nothing bad. And here there was a previous fix that, as you can see, this is not how I intend the things to be fixed. So we will make it much better than it is today. Another common issue on the Suzuki GSX-R are the mirrors that are having this problem. Basically, they are acquiring this display over the years. So we are going to find a workaround to fix it. I hope you enjoy it. And the last part, that is the most bad one in a way, is here. You can see there is this crack all over this part. I was very surprised to find this, because it happened once the bike was stored in the box. So it was in the garage, and one day I found it here. But I discovered it's a common issue on this model year, and to avoid any problem, we are going to replace the entire part. Say that, what else? Any other fixing needed? Yeah, one small thing. This is a not stock double bubble, and he has a crack here, so we will put back the original, the genuine parts. Despite of this, the bike is very good. Brakes are not brand new. They are 3100 kilometers, but they are still good. So just some minor things, and we will make it back to his original beauty. That's it for today. This is just an introduction video. Most probably we will make, I don't know if we can do it in one single video, or we are going to make a series of video. Let's see how much and how long it will take. first video experience, so let's see what will come out. So if you like this kind of content, or you like to see something like that, we are do-yourselfer, just write in the comment. And if you like it, put a thumbs up, put a like, and subscribe to the channel. More to come. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.